Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 31st. It's the last day of the month. So let's kind of see what shenanigans are happening out there with the market. And as always, if you guys are interested in the way that I talk about the market and the Moxie Indicator, you can always come on into the Moxie Indicator Mastery. That's our trading room. We have a solid $7 trial for 30 days, but we have been having a great time in this market. Things are really starting to work out for us. Basically the last 2 months, this market has really started to wake up. And, we've got lots of posts, lots of things to communicate to the subscribers. We have been making videos and all sorts of stuff out there. So it's been nice to see things really start to liven up, since the last 2 years have been a pretty strong bear market for most of the market. As we see, it's just, the S&P keeps kind of crawling up. Now, late last week, Thursday, we did get a Moxie price trigger to the downside. So I'm kind of keeping one eye on that, seeing if that's going to be an issue for the market as a whole. The possibility that maybe it just needs to rest a little bit, maybe we actually get price to just go sideways for a while is definitely a possibility. We can kind of see with the semis, you can see how they've kind of done a little bit of that over time. You can see they've mostly gone sideways over the last few weeks. Yes, they're trying to kind of keep going up, but that was a nice little breather to take a break and get closer to the moving averages. And we could see something like even AMD that, and you can see here with the channels that we have drawn in here, that's kind of the idea of what I'm showing, is that you can see here it was in the upper area of this channel, and then it refreshed with the lower area, went all the way up to the upper. And basically, other than this little pullback here, it's been going sideways to the lower end of that channel. Now, we do have earnings right around the corner. So this is going to be up to you if you want to be able to play earnings with AMD and into that thing. But right there seems like it might hold, but it's a roll of the dice for earnings. Other than that, what I'm looking for is to see if the market as a whole wants to take a breather. If that's fine, if that's the case, then that can be fine. Underneath the surface, there are still quite a few movers. I mean, look at this thing, Palantir still unstoppable. We've been looking at even the shippers. We are in this name. Again, really nice big moves, and we've been having quite a few of these. So it's a lot of fun, very exciting. That's been happening for the last couple months, and I'm thrilled to be seeing that the market is warming up. So if you guys feel like you're missing out, come on into the Moxie Indicator Mastery, and we'll see you guys there.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.